So I bought this boat a couple months ago and I've only just had time to start working on it. So I thought I'll make a couple videos and upload them. Yeah, so I might include a few trip videos as well, but I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, so here's the new project. It's a 5 metre Allison Fisherman 5 they call it. It's got a nice little pot on the back, swing deck, little ladder as well. So it's pretty well set up, good for fishing and all that in there. There's crap everywhere at the moment because I've just bought a Simrad G09 sounder. I'm installing that, and I also bought a Fusion stereo system, so you can see the speaker over there. The actual unit is under the chair, well, in front of the chair, you can't see that. So yeah, I'm just installing all of that in the next couple of days, and then I'll do the wiring as well, because the wiring is an absolute mess in there, but it should be good. It's only a small boat, but I plan on doing some good trips. Haven't got any planned yet, but you'll be able to roll swags out on the deck, so that'll be good. Do a few overnighters or week trips, not too sure yet, but yeah, I'll do a bit more filming on it as I go. It's got a really good trailer, which is good. That'll get me up the coast. Yeah, and I'll upload as I go. Alright, so I'm up the front of the boat now, and as you can see, this is the wiring I was talking about. Right. This is the active cable, it's just taped up. This is the negative, it's like half crimped, like just falling apart. Like, what is that? So I'm going to pull all of this out and redo it. Yeah, because that's not safe. Like, you don't want that on your boat. If you're going to be out in the middle of the ocean, just simple stuff like this will make it go wrong. And this is the other side. That's the new stereo head unit I've just put in. So I'll wire all that up. But yeah, pretty much all the wiring's going to get stripped out, and then I'll do a nice neat job of it. I'm no gun at it, but I'll be able to do it better than that, so that's what we'll be doing. So I'm back up the front here. This is my attempt of tidying it up. I've installed a nice little fuse block. I have a lot more room there to put other things if I wish. I'm just running the same setup as he had. I've cable tied all this up. That's just extension, so I can't really tidy any more of that up. That's for the aerial and all that. It does have a little cover to go on there, but I thought just while I'm getting it ready I won't put that on yet. There's still a little bit more tidying up that I could do there, but for now I'm pretty happy. That's the sounder bracket. I drive from this side here and put the sounder there angled towards me, so it's easy to look at while driving. I've got the stereo head unit down here, nice and small. I had to make up a little stainless back plate for it because it's a fair bit smaller than the old one. I'm going to take it on a good trip. Might do an overnighter and go out to Roddo. The weather's looking pretty good. Yeah, test out the things I've done so far. But the next thing I want to do is new seats, or reupholstered or something, because they are actually quite comfy. They just look really bad. And then a bit of shade. I'll take a video of the side from the side of the boat, and you'll see that there's not much shade on it. So yeah, that's a side-on shot of the boat. You'll see there's absolutely no shade, so you go out on a hot day and you get pretty toasted if you forget to put sunscreen on or anything like that. So I'm going to chuck some shade on it, hopefully. Yeah, I don't know, that'll be the next month I'd imagine. I'll do that with the seats as well, so that's all done, and then it'll be pretty bloody good after that. Yeah, but in the meantime I'm just going to use it.